ako'y nagagalak at I'm really honored that our guest today is the number one CEO woman CEO of the Philippines, ang Vice Chairman ng SM Investments Corporation, ang pinakamalaking kumpanya sa Pilipinas in terms of value in the market, in this tinatawag na market capitalization, na may git na 1.167 trillion. Ang consumer base po nila ay halos lahat ng Pilipino. Basta po nakakakita, nakakaramdam, ang nakakahawak at nakaka-consume ng isang bagay, pagkain man, telepono, negosyo, banking, nandiyan po ang SM. Sa National Capital Region po, every 2 kilometers, you will see an SM facility, di ba? Sa
Yes.
EDSA. Ma'am TCC Coson, the Vice Chairman of SM Investments Corporation. Ano po masasabi ninyo ngayon at in a rare event, pumayag po kayo na ma-interview on television?
Well, we're here because I think I'd like to show that, with a positive attitude, we really can grow.
Yeah.
And so in this time when there are a lot of maybe discontent,
Yeah.
it's a matter of how you look at things.
Yeah.
If you look at things more positively and you can continue to do what you are doing, and we can grow. I think we have to change our mindset
Yeah.
and look at things from a more positive
More
perspective.
positive light. Really, on balance,